Chef Anthony here, making a homemade cranberry sauce right from scratch, nice and easy. Don't be overwhelmed. It's super easy. It'll take a few minutes to do. We're on the induction, so we got the 2-burner. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm just gonna take it up to about a 9 to get it nice and hot to start with, okay? What I wanna show you is, here's our cranberries. So you can buy them just like this. You gotta just check them out. I rinsed them first, but see if there's any, that have any mold or anything on them, or any, even if they're just wilted already like this. Happens in the packaging, they get smushed in there. So just check a couple, but 90% of them should be really, firm like this, kind of really hard. Perfect. Hot, so we're gonna create our broth here. And using a little bit of water, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and some orange, okay? So we're really incorporating all of these spices. And the best part is, you'll see in my video here, when these cook, they split open and they're starchy. So it'll actually thicken up and we'll cool it. So it'll actually gelatinously kind of come together, okay? It's the pectin and the sugar in the fruit. Fun science nerd fact. Okay, taking this water, putting it in, all right? That's probably, it's about 2.5 cups. And then to that, I'm gonna add brown sugar, about 2 cups of brown sugar in here. It's really gonna sweeten the deal, kind of dilute it, because these are tart. These are pretty tart right now, all right? So to that, I'm gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks, okay? A little tablespoon of white vinegar, kind of neutralizes it with the acid. You'll kind of see it all come together in the end, all right? Touch of vanilla, just because it's vanilla. We're great. We're gonna put 4 of these orange rinds in here, just to peel, kind of get that orange zest in there. Really helps out. We're gonna juice 2 oranges in here. I like the orange in here. It adds a nice fresh one, okay? You can split it up, half orange, half lemon, if you want. But it's my recipe, I'm doing orange. Perfect. Another great part about the induction, we go like this. If I get this over here or over here, it's still not gonna cook onto the surface. Makes cleanup nice and easy, okay? Last one, roughly juiced, okay? Next, we're just gonna add a couple shakes. This is pumpkin pie spice, kind of brings it all together. You could use just regular cinnamon too, but I'm talking a little teaspoon of that. And just a pinch of salt and pepper. Salt kind of brings out all the sweet, makes it really nice as well. So we're gonna bring this to an 11, bring it up to a boil, get it going, and then we're gonna put in our cranberries. Okay, we're up to a boil. We've reduced it slightly. We just wanna make sure the sugar is dissolved, and we're gonna add, this is 1 bag full of cranberries. So we're gonna put this in and we're gonna stir it. Now we're gonna listen. Here's the key to this sauce. Get everything coated. We're gonna wait to see when they start to split. Once they start splitting, you'll see just a white ring around them so that we know that they're opened up. That's when we're gonna reduce it, and that's when we're gonna start to stir and gradually keep the temperature down so it thickens up and turns into a sauce. Hear the pops? That's a good sign. Look at this. See this? This is splitting. This is exactly what we're looking for. Starting to open, starting to cook. Now is the safe bet to turn it down to a 2. And we're just gonna let this cool. And it'll thicken up. Look how good. Beautiful, vibrant color. And that's really what it does. It really snaps open, it soaks up that liquid of the cinnamon, the orange, all the flavoring, and releases the pectin, or the natural starch, to thicken the sauce. Once again, this can be done 2 days in advance. Does not hurt, does not hinder the product at all. And if anything, it will build in flavor. So I would say if you're on top of it, take 3 days. This can sit in the refrigerator and we can warm this slightly the day you need it. And it also has a shelf life of, let's say, another week to week and a half out, okay? Okay, so we brought it up to that boil. We got it down now. Look at the cranberry right now. Nice and soft and tender. Great color, great look on this. All finished. I would just let this come down. And once it cools, it's going to be a very nice, thick consistency. So quick, easy cranberry sauce, you know, made in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes on induction. Perfect for your next holiday feast. Enjoy. Thank you.